Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes on a stainless steel pan. Start with a good quality, heavy-bottomed stainless steel pan for the best results. Place it on your stovetop and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the pan to heat evenly, which is crucial for non-stick cooking. Once heated, add about 1/2 teaspoon of oil or butter, ensuring it coats the entire cooking surface. This initial preparation is key to preventing sticking. Now, it's time to cook. Pour about 1/4 cup of your pancake batter onto the preheated and greased pan for each pancake. Let them cook undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see small bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. This indicates they are ready to flip. Carefully turn them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. To avoid common issues, always maintain a consistent medium-low heat. Too high, and your pancakes will burn. Too low, and they won't brown properly. Avoid overcrowding the pan. Cooking 2 or 3 pancakes at a time allows for better heat distribution and easier flipping. If you notice any residue building up between batches, quickly wipe the pan clean with a paper towel before adding more oil and batter. Your perfectly cooked pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings like syrup, fresh fruit, or whipped cream. Cleaning your stainless steel pan is simple. Just use warm soapy water and a soft sponge. For an even easier cleanup around the house, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.